Mir ist da noch eine Idee gekommen, und zwar, wir haben ja Münzen. Oh, da steht jemand, interessant. Wer ist denn das?
Were you at the concert? The concert. Yes, that is the place where I was. The concert.
So, what did you think?
The concert induced a range of emotions that is both appropriate and desirable for a concert.
Well, good. I think.
Good? Yes.
I'm not sure how those go together.
Nun, okay. Anscheinend ist das Konzert jetzt zu Ende.
Well? Whoa, what? According to this guidebook, there's an enormous devil chipmunk painted on the ceiling of the lobby. I don't see anything. Made you look. Oh, real mature. Ooh, are those donut holes?
Mud balls. Want one?
Ooh, what's in a mud ball?
Mud. I'll pass.
Lecker. Nun, der Typ ist jetzt weg. Aber egal, wir haben ja Münzen. Die wollte ich mal mit dem Automaten benutzen. Jetzt haben wir ein Kaugummi gekriegt. Das wird doch im Gesicht landen, ich sehe es doch kommen.
I'm not sure how those go together.
Okay. Jetzt haben wir einen Hammer, Münzen, einen Drink, Erdnüsse und gekauter Kaugummi. Kriege ich noch mal einen?
One piece is plenty. I don't want to rot my teeth.
Okay.
I don't think that will work. I'm not sure how those go together. It's lost its flavor, but it's still plenty sticky.
Ja. Dann gehen wir mal zurück in die Bar.
I don't think that will work.
Vielleicht hat er auch
I
eine
wouldn't eat
Allergie.
those if I were you. I'm pretty sure they're older than I am.
Mhm. Vielleicht will er ja einen Drink.
Keep that plummy hogwash away from me.
Kollege, ich frage den alten Mann und nicht dich. Okay, Schere. Mhm.
You lose again.
Come on, how am I supposed to beat this guy if I don't even know what these throws mean?
That's your problem, buddy.
Okay.
You lose again.
Come on, how am I...
That's
Okay, den Rucksack kann ich hier nicht benutzen.
you lose.
Come on, how am I...
That's
don't think that will work.
Ich habe das Gefühl, die bescheißen und kann es nicht nachweisen. So, ich bin jetzt noch mal ins Theater gegangen.
I fell off a horse and my lung popped. Surely Melaskia is the only cure.
A popped lung usually unpops itself within a day or two.
Indeed.
Indeed. Weak tea and a 4-hour headstand should accelerate the healing process.
Oh, come on! My legs feel all mushy. I need a prescription for Melaskia before it's too late.
Likely a mild case of syphilis.
Indeed.
Indeed. I recommend 6 iodine tablets and a week's bed rest.
Dang it. Oh, I just pooped out my brain. I need Melaskia now.
Hardly. A good bloodletting should get your humors back in alignment.
Indeed.
Indeed. Come by my office tomorrow. I'll prepare the leeches.
Amazing! I'm suddenly cured.
Was ein Wunder. Friss die Erdnüsse.
Hey, Doc, you think I could have that Melaskia prescription now?
Good heavens! An acute facial dysmography!
Ja.
Oh, this affliction is far beyond my ability to treat. Here, enjoy one last beverage before your head blows up. My condolences.
Thanks.
5 Minuten später.
Ha! I haven't pulled that trick since my organic chemistry final.
Jetzt bekommen wir dieses harte Getränk in der Bar. Nur was ich damit dann wieder mache, ist auch wieder so eine Sache.
One Melaskia, please. Oh, here's my prescription. Very good, sir. Before I make this, however, I am required to inform you of the following disclaimers. Melaskia is not recommended for consumption by the ill or infirm. Do not drink Melaskia with other forms of alcohol. Do not drink Melaskia before or after operating a threshing machine. Do not drink Melaskia in the vicinity of a fountain or decorative clock. Do not drink Melaskia in Spain. Do not drink Melaskia during an existential crisis. Do not spell Melaskia. Do not drink Melaskia upside down. Do not think that drinking Melaskia somehow makes you better than Melaskia. If Melaskia asks you a question, do not answer. And finally, do not drink Melaskia. Do you acknowledge and accept these disclaimers, sir? Yeah, whatever. Gimme.
Existenzkrise, das wird Beethoven sein.
No, I'd rather not.
Doch nicht?
What business do you have with the shuffler?
Ooh, can I show you a magic trick?
The shuffler does not deign to engage in petty trickery, magical or otherwise. He is the practitioner of an art. You would do well to respect it.
The Kelvin will see you later.
The shuffler does not appreciate your mockery.
Wenn wir dem das geben?
The shuffler wants nothing to do with that caustic swill.
Können wir denen das geben?
No thanks. I have 5 more years before I can handle another one of those.
Okay. Einer von euch?
Whoa, 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 bro! If you toast with that, it might explode! Killing us all, bro! Serious party foul, bro!
Okay. Vielleicht ja der Typ.
I don't think that will work. Nah, I pushed my luck with the first one.
Ja toll, jetzt habe ich das. Soll ich das selber trinken, oder?
Yeah, I'm on the clock. I don't think that will work.
Kombinieren wir mal ein bisschen.
I'm not sure how those go together. Yeah, I need to empty the cocktail glass first.
Ja gut, dann... Trinkst leer. So, jetzt haben wir ein Cocktailglas. Jetzt wird er das, glaube ich, trinken hier.
Here you are, Mr. Shuffler. It's the bartender's latest creation. The, Alice. Subversively sweet, with notes of dolphin and basement mold.
The shuffler accepts your gift with skepticism and curiosity.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Ja, genau. Mord wegen Karten. Genau. Ja.
Come on.
That's
No, I'd rather not.
Vielleicht braucht die Wahrsagerin ja noch die Karten. Könnte ich mir vorstellen.
Will this deck of cards work?
Yes, these should do the trick. Let's see. The answer to your quandary is lost forever at the bottom of the Dead Sea.
What? I can't even swim!
Wait, oh, sorry, cards were upside down. The answer to your quandary is at the bottom left corner of a parchment wall.
Oh, cryptic.
You know it.
Am unteren...
What did those cards say I should do again?
Seek the bottom left corner of a parchment wall.
Cool, thanks.
Pentagrammwand. Pentagramm. Wo ist hier ein Pentagramm? Kein Pentagramm.
Advertisements used to be so subtle.
Ja, ja. Naja, hier gibt es ja noch ein paar Leute, mit denen wir noch nicht gesprochen haben. Oh, okay. Stein schlägt Schere. Schere Papier, Papier Stein. Und das Ganze, die Ziege, schlägt dann die Waffe. Okay.
What did you two think of the show?
Oh, it was simply exhilarating. I feel so alive. Don't you, Mortimer?
Yes, Angelica, so alive. I feel as if I could sing. Like the stars in the sky.
And the stars in your eyes. You're the light of my life.
Bravo. I guess.
Das war wirklich schön. Okay, wir müssen die Ziege machen, damit wir die Pistole irgendwie besiegen können. Wie macht man denn die Ziege? Gespannt, ob das jetzt in der Auswahl drin ist. Tatsache gewonnen.
Boom. Take that, silent scowling guy. You just got wrecked. Oh God, thank you for the friendly and competitive match. Please don't rip off my arms.
So, Barkeeper.
What? Hear me, barkeep. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. And it's one. Yeah.
Ja, ja.
I'm good for. I am at. One victory beer, please. Hey, there's a giant hole in my mug? Yes, sir, I added that to let the beer breathe properly. It should improve mouthfeel. Well, oh, sorry, sir. I'd pour you a replacement, but we're all out.
Okay, jetzt haben wir einen Krug. Jetzt könnten wir anstoßen. Denke ich mal.
No way these bros will let me toast with an empty mug. How the heck did you?
Easy.
What?
I don't.
You, sir. No, I'd rather not.
Ah, jetzt weiß ich, wo wir was herkriegen könnten. Now I knew. We must go to the Gasse wieder. Und da ist ja diese kaputte Regenrinne. Ich denke mal, halb voll müsste reichen. Wenn er zu voll ist, wird es überschwappen. Und dann werden sie sich wieder beschweren.
All right, bros, let's do this.
Heck yeah, bro.
So, damit hat er jetzt seine Symphonie geschrieben.
Kelvin, temporal lattice instability just fell by 30%.
No!
Kelvin, that's a good thing.
Oh, yay!
I kind of can't believe it, but whatever you're doing is actually working.
So you're saying I can come home now and binge watch Star Snails?
What? No. We need to get you to the next temporal anomaly immediately.
But Star Snails...
Kelvin, you can't watch star snails if Lupin implodes the universe.
Yeah, fine. Beam in the shower or whatever.
Beaming in now. See you on the other side, Kelvin.
Ugh, drain hair.
Nächstzeit, London im 17. Jahrhundert. Der berühmte Mathematiker Isaac Newton hat seine Forschung im Bereich der Physik plötzlich eingestellt. London 1673. Der ist auf dem Hoverboard, wie cool.
Eat your heart out, McFly.
Behalt es. Hol's zurück.
You there, Kelvin?
Present and accounted for.
All right. The system says you're in London now, and odds are good you're there to help Isaac Newton.
The science fiction dude.
You're thinking of Isaac Asimov.
The, violinist.
Eat Suck Perlman.
Ah, the Swedish tennis player.
Kelvin, that's Bjorn Borg. Look, in 1672, Isaac Newton published groundbreaking research on the nature of optics. And after that...
Nothing else?
Bingo. Lupin must have meddled with Newton's later research somehow.
Gotcha. I'll get him back on track. Do we, know what else he might have been working on?
I have no clue, but I imagine he does. Good luck, Kelvin.